In today's video, I'm going to teach you dashboards in Jira made easy. To get started, open Jira and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll be ready to build a dashboard that gives you a clear, customizable view of your project data. Jira dashboards act like a central command center, helping you track project status, spot bottlenecks, and visualize team metrics in real time. This makes them especially useful for staying organized and keeping important information visible at a glance. From the top navigation bar in Jira, click the Dashboards drop-down, then select Create Dashboard. This will open the setup screen where you can begin creating a dashboard tailored to your needs. At this stage, it's a good idea to think about the purpose of the dashboard. For example, you might want one focused on sprint progress, team workload, or issue tracking across multiple projects. Next, configure the dashboard settings by entering a clear name and a helpful description. Choose a name that makes the dashboard easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create more than one. The description can be used to explain what the dashboard is for, which is helpful for anyone else who may view or manage it in the future. After that, set the permissions for the dashboard. This is where you control who can view it and who can edit it. Taking a moment to set permissions properly is important, because it helps ensure that the right people can access the dashboard without allowing unwanted changes. Once the basic setup is complete, customize the layout by clicking Change Layout in the top right area of the dashboard. Here, you can decide how your columns should be arranged, depending on the type of information you want to display. You might prefer 2 equal columns, 3 columns, or a split layout such as 70-30. Choosing the right structure can make the dashboard much easier to read. Now click Add Gadget to open the gadget library. This is where you can browse and select the visual tools you want to include. Common options include pie charts, sprint health, and filter results. Each gadget highlights different types of information, so choose the ones that best support the story your dashboard needs to tell. Finally, drag and drop your gadgets into place to arrange them in a logical and useful way. Organize them so the most important information is easy to see first, and group related metrics together to make the dashboard more intuitive. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.